Hello guys, welcome back to my Lego collection, and I'm gonna be show you my Lego MOC Lego City mod. And you can see this car can be drive in. I mean can open it the air machine in here. You can see the machine just chilling in there, and nice engine in there, and I'm gonna be show you how to build this. To build this is need part like this, 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 this. You can see there, just Lego City, and this you can see there. And you don't know how to get these wheels, because this wheels not Lego series and not Lego. Wait a second, this is not the Lego company make this, not everywhere. This is from the superheroes Lego. Is not Lego company, not Lego Avengers, but this made the wheels. You can see the wheels, yeah, it's very different, and you can see the wheels is different than these wheels. I mean this I will then this wheels I don't know, but yeah, it's very different in then yeah, it's very different than Lego City wheels. Lego City wheels is different than this. This is buy in the block brick road in from Indonesian, and in the CP, yeah. And you can see it's very different, but it's so cool. And I'm gonna be show you these different fenders. The fenders is very different. So as you can see, Lego City mod is so cool. You can see the guys, the guy is just chilling in there with same stickers, and the ass racing, and this is ass racing, yeah. And I'm gonna be and next day or next weeks I'm gonna be show you my Lego supercar racing, not the Ferrari Speed Champion blah blah blah, but Italia Body Kits, not that, but it's very different. Then goodbye.